All right, you guys, so out here in the shop working on Aiden's Foxbody, and I got the engine and tranny here in the trailer, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that lifted out here with my cherry picker. And you can see my shit's worse than the roadkill guy's shit, but it'll work. So I'll go ahead and get this baby out and get it into the garage. Alright, you guys, so I appreciate you watching the video, checking out the build on the Mustang, and checking out our engine. This is the current condition of the car. Stayed up last night cleaning this thing, getting it all fixed up and cleaned up. I'm going to start spraying some epoxy primer on a few bald spots I got, you know, where I took the wire wheel down to metal. I'll kind of hit all those spots, maybe a few other ones. I've got some up in here that I gotta hit, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop us a comment down below. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.